everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another motivational cleaning video. On this day I decided that I will film a speed cleaning video for you. I had some everyday things to do around the house, so I just figured I will film it. I was also feeling so unmotivated to clean, and filming usually gives me that motivation that I need, and I hope this video will do the same for you. As you can see, I'm starting in my dining area of my kitchen. I'm just putting everything away so I can clean the table, and I will use my splendid foam kitchen cleaner for that. I've been really loving this cleaner, especially the smell of it. It's a lemon scent, and you will see that I will be using it in the living room as well. I really wanted to start in the kitchen on this day because it was totally trashed. I had so many dishes to wash. I didn't do them the night before because I wanted to film this video in the morning, but then I had to run some errands and we had lunch, and then the dishes kept piling up, and now I'm stuck with a kitchen full of dirty dishes. I swear something like that always happens if I don't do the dishes on the same day.
Flipping pages since I could remember, that told me I had to be within the lines of 2 degrees and 9 to 5, and I've been working after work since last September. Working after work, yeah.
Tell me in the comments if you are cleaning along with me or you're just watching for some motivation. If you are cleaning with me, definitely leave a comment what you managed to get done. I always like to read those comments.
Chance on faith, your mind's a bonus, please. So take a chance, a chance on faith. So take a chance on faith. So take a chance. I never wanna look back. Take a chance on faith. Take a chance on faith.
My stovetop was also a disaster. I honestly don't know how that happened, but it did. That's why I'm spraying some degreaser on it first to remove all the stickiness, and then I will go over with my R-Scrub cream cleaner and clean this stove properly.
Never got no regret the hours I've been putting in. So take a chance on faith. Your mind's a bonus, please. So take a chance, a chance on faith. So take a chance on faith. So take a chance. I never wanna look back. Take a chance on faith. So take a chance on faith.
Now I will wipe down the counters and scrub the sink, and with that I will be finally done in the kitchen.
Streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Now I'm moving into our bedroom to change the sheets. Tell me in the comments how often do you change your sheets. I try to change ours once a week. Also tell me if you have a special day for that, like you always change your sheets on Saturdays or Sundays or whatever day, or you just do it when you feel like you need to. I was thinking to start doing them every Sunday, so it kinda feel like a fresh start to the week.
To explore right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
And now the worst part of the day, folding laundry. I really hate folding laundry, I never like it and I don't think I ever will. I mentioned in my previous video that in the summer I like to wash 3 or 4 loads in one day so I don't have to worry about it for the rest of the week. That's why I have so much to fold right now.
Heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Music keeps me on alone. You got the feeling. The music keeps me singing. Music keeps me dancing. Music keeps me dancing. Music keeps me dancing.
Now I'm in the bathroom and I'm starting with the toilet. For cleaning that, I use bleach rolled ball cleaner and my homemade cleaner, which is half vinegar and half water mixed with a little bit of dish soap. I will leave those two products on there for a couple of minutes while I tidy up this shelf. Now I will just clean the sink and then I'm moving into the living room. Here I will just tidy up and clean the table as I always do, and I will also straighten the couch.
We climb the greatest heights, jump down and have a fight, and that's all we'll ever like, but that can never change my mind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way. Yeah. When it hurts like this,
I also decided to clean this computer table because it was getting really dusty. I'm putting everything where it belongs so I can wipe it down, and after I'm done with that, I will also dust this TV stand.
when it hurts like this. We hold each other high, but we fall 1,000 times. But I'd never say goodbye or ever leave this stuff behind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way. Yeah. When it hurts like this. When it hurts like this.
For dusting, I'm using clean microfiber cloth without any product, and it works amazing. I will just use a little bit of my cleaner to remove the sticky patch that is on there in the end.
Sometimes when you're here, I can feel no doubt, 'cause you keep me where the stars are found.
The last thing I will do is vacuum the floors, and with that I'm ending today's video. If you made it this far, comment your favorite summer emoji in the comments and subscribe if you aren't already. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. This really helps my channel. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!